What's up everyone, today we're reviewing Redimind, a brain supplement that makes some pretty bold claims. They say it can improve your short-term memory by over 51% in just 30 days. That's a huge claim, but does the science back it up, or is it just another overhyped brain pill? Let's get right into it. So what is Redimind? Redimind is made by Nutrients LLC and claims to significantly improve short-term memory, boasting a 51% increase in scores on the ISLT memory test within just 30 days. The company also says over 95% of people in their study felt their memory improve after taking it for a month. Sounds impressive, right? Here's where things get interesting. Redimind contains 5 ingredients in what they call their exclusive formula. This formula includes a proprietary blend of 350 milligrams containing Bacopa monieri, ginkgo biloba, alpha GPC, lion's mane, and huperzine A. Now here's the first red flag. It's a proprietary blend. That means they don't tell you exactly how much of each ingredient is in there, just a total amount of 350 grams. Each of these ingredients needs specific dosages to be effective based on scientific research. For example, Bacopa monieri typically needs 300 milligrams or more to show cognitive benefits. Alpha GPC usually requires 300 to 600 milligrams, but Redimind's entire blend is only 350 milligrams total for all 5 ingredients. Do the math. There's no way each ingredient is at an effective dose. This is called fairy dusting, where companies add ingredients just to put them on the label, but not in amounts they actually work. Yes, Redimind funded a study on their product, but here's what you need to know. Company-funded studies should always be viewed with healthy skepticism. Independent research is the gold standard, and we don't have that for this specific formula. Reviews are mixed. Some users report feeling clearer and focused, while others say they noticed zero difference. Some positive reviews mention reduced brain fog and better memory retention, but critics point out that this formula is suspiciously overpriced for what you're getting. The good part? Redimind is non-GMO, vegan, gluten-free, and made in a GMP certified facility in New York. The ingredients themselves, Bacopa, lion's mane, ginkgo, do have legitimate research behind them for brain health. The problem isn't ingredients, it's the dosages. Could Redimind work? Maybe, but it's unlikely to deliver the dramatic results they're advertising. The proprietary blend with low total dosage is a major concern. You're essentially paying premium prices for underdosed ingredients. The final verdict? Redimind isn't a scam. It's a real product with real ingredients. But does it actually sharpen your brain effectively? Probably not at these dosages. If you want to try nootropics, look for products with transparent labels showing exact ingredient amounts at clinically effective doses. Don't settle for proprietary blends that hide the truth. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.